In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a simple 3D modeling in FreeCAD, OpenCAD software. This is simple tutorial for beginners. Let's see how the features work in FreeCAD. Let's start to create one exercise in FreeCAD software. This is OpenCAD software and totally free, and it is equivalent to SolidWorks and Inventor. Now this is the our drawing, dimensions millimeter, chamfers for 1.5 into 45 degree. Now if we see from top, the outer diameter 100 millimeter, then there is a one PCD, pitch circle diameter 75, then there is a 6 number of hole 10, and angle you will see 60 degree each, inside hole 45. The same thing you will see in section view, hole 45, outer diameter 50, height you will see 55 15, and chamfer you will see inside chamfer and outside chamfer 1.5 into 45 degree, and there is a radius R2. So this is simple exercise, and let's see how it works. Now see, this is the interface of FreeCAD OpenCAD software. Now you have to open one documents. Either you can go file, new documents, or there is a one more symbol. See this one, new document. Click. Now we entered in new documents. Now first we have to choose, let's say, plane. But before going to choose plane, you see this, there is a CAD. These are the settings. I'm going to keep CAD so that navigation will work according to CAD. Okay. Now here task, and this is model. If you don't see model and task, simply go to view and here go to panels and activate model and task. This is important. Okay. Now first let me choose here. Okay, this is the workbench. There are many types of workbench like assembly, sheet metal, then parts, and there are many, let's say, civil work and architectural work assemblies are also there. So we are going to do parts. So activate part. Now here choose this one, new sketch. Now here you have to choose plane. So I'm going to choose here, let's say, XZ plane. Okay. Now I'm going to activate here. See, this is polyline. And if you see polyline, see here, make sure auto constraint open so that you will you will see the symbol of vertical and horizontal line. And connect. Right click and exit. Now, if you see here symbol, see this is horizontal vertical. So let me choose activate this one and select this line. This is become vertical. This is become horizontal. Select this one. This is okay. All be done. Right click and exit. Now let me apply here dimension. If you drop down, you will see many dimensions, but simply choose dimensions. Okay, let's apply this. Drag and here apply 15. Okay, select this 55. Okay, then select this line and this line center one. It's going 50 divided by 2, 25. This one from here, select this line. Now this is 100 divided by 2, 50. Okay, this is fully defined sketch unless and until we have to fix the position. Okay, now let me drag this one here. Okay, now let me activate here coincident constraint and select, see this point and origin point, and this is going to fix at origin. See, the color is green, means this is fully constrained. You will see here in right side, close. Okay, now let me choose here, come here and see this is second option, revolve. Now once you click, by default system took this axis line as a axis of revolution. Type this is a kind of angle, and see this is vertical sketch axis by default selected. You can change it according to your requirement. Angle by default 360 applied. Okay, and see here we done. Now let's make hole on top. So select the top face, select sketch, activate circle, and let me draw two circles from origin. See symbol, this one 75, enter, and let me select one here 10, enter. Right click and exit. Now this one make it construction line, so select this construction line, but let's say this is not fully defined. Now here choose one option, see horizontal and vertical constraint, select origin point and select center. See, this is fully defined. Right click, close, go to, now I want to make hole. So here choose pocket. I want to remove material, so activate pocket. Now if you drag, let's say this is one side, see arrow moving perfect direction. Now dimension, either apply, you can dimension, or there is one more option, to first. Let's see, this is cut only up to back side, that's why to first. Sketch edge normal, say okay. If you press 0 in your keyboard, this will be show isometric view. See, now let's make multiple number of patterns. So select the pocket, and here see at left side polar pattern. See here activated, transform tool shape. Now here we already selected. Now axis, by default this natural axis selected. Now here also extent mode from one end to another end, angle 360, and how many number of occurrence or how many number of holes, so make it 6. See, you will see the preview, close, and here we done. Select the top face. Now here choose new sketch, circle. Let's draw one circle and make it 45-degree, enter. Right click, choose here coincident, select this point and this point. See, this is how fixed here. Right click and exit. Now I want to cut this, close and activate here pocket. Now this time, let's say one-sided, in dimensions, choose through all. See, this is going to cut through all, apply, okay. Right click, and you can change appearance. Let's say appearance, I'm going to change material. See, drop down, let's say brass, close. Now see the material color we change. With the help of this arrow, you can rotate the component, or from here choose isometric or apply 0 in keyboard. It will show you isometric view. Okay. Now let's apply chamfer. Now here let me choose type, angle distance 1.5, 45-degree. Now here select this inside face, outside face. So if you choose face, it will select both corner and apply. Okay. See here, inside and outside. Now let me choose fillet. Now here choose 2 millimeter and select this inside corner. So you will see the preview. Okay. And press 0 in keyboard, and this is how we done our job. So this is the simple tutorial. Now simply you can save it. See here, save, and give the name Exercise-03. See here the name and everything. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks and FreeCAD. Thanks for watching.